another tip I like to do to smooth my roots is I like to take my brush, and what I'll do is I'll scoop it underneath my hair at the root, right? Let me show you again. So I'll scoop it underneath, and then I'll take my blow dryer and I'll go like this to get it smoother. Gotta be Liz Rich for sure. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing all things blow dry. I'm going to demonstrate how I got this nice, smooth, sleek blow dry with just a blow dryer and a brush. And I'm also going to discuss with you the leave-in conditioners I'm using as well as the heat protectants. So let's get into it. Okay, so I just got out the shower, so my hair is a little bit damp. It's not extremely wet. It's probably a little bit dry at this point, but I like to keep it like a little bit wet before I put in the products. Not drenched, but just a little damp. So I am going to go in with my Unite 7 Seconds, and it is a leave-in detangler. So I'm just going to spray that all over. Then after that, I'm going to go in with a serum, and this is one by Design Essentials, but I just put it in this container because I'm traveling right now. I'm not going to take a lot. I'm just going to take a little tiny bit. And then emulsify that in my hands. And then I'm going to start mainly on my ends. And then a little bit towards the center. I like to do that part first because it's a little bit thicker. So that way I'm not putting too much serum on my hair and it doesn't get greasy. Then at the end, I'll go in and put it towards like the front. So I'm going to start in sections. And the reason that I start in sections is because it gives me more control over my hair. So I'm going to put this part aside for now. And then I'm going to take a small section from the back. And then I'll just clip this up out of the way. Okay, so now for the brush that I'm using is actually the pattern one, and it's just the mini travel size one, but you could use a dim-in brush. It's very similar to this. I'm just using this because I'm traveling and it's the only thing that I have. So first I'm going to start at the ends of my hair and then work my way up. So I'm going to start detangling like this. And then once that my hair is finished detangling, I'm going to go and take my blow dryer. But when I use my blow dryer, the nozzle, I'm actually going to extend my hair and I'm going to blow dry it this way. So that way, when you're blow drying your hair, it actually dries extended rather than shrunken. And then you don't have to go back in as often to get it straighter. So it'll already be kind of like smooth out after you blow dry it like this. And it'll make the process a lot easier. So let me show you. So as you can see, when I turn my blow dryer off, it's already pretty straight. So just me extending it that little amount already helped the shrinkage. So it's already extended by me not even doing much. So now that we have it extended, I'm going to take my blow dry brush and I'm going to scoop it underneath my hair, and then I'm going to blow dry it smoothly this way. And when you're blow drying, make sure to use the nozzle going in this direction. So whatever direction you want it to be smooth, you want your nozzle to also go that way as well. Because if you do it this way, it makes it harder, then the hair starts flying and it doesn't get as smooth, it gets frizzy. So we always want to go in the direction that we're going to blow dry. So then once I do that a couple passes, I like to go and take my brush and let me see if I can, I don't know how to say it. So I'm taking the hair and I'm connecting it with the brush. And at the same time, I'm going to take the blow dryer and I'm going to smooth it out. So that way we can get the rest of it smooth.
Thinking about it, and I might need something new. The spring clean couldn't cut it, and I just went shopping. 2 new restaurants for breakfast, brunch, and dinner feels cliche. The therapy that will heal me is a touch up to this dude. Style and color, braids get butter, cut and a cleave or a bob and a weave. Long ass pony would look good on me. Bantu can do, yes, my plans to get glam today.
So another tip I like to do to smooth my roots is I like to take my brush, and what I'll do is I'll scoop it underneath my hair at the root, right? Let me show you again. So I'll scoop it underneath, and then I'll take my blow dryer and I'll go like this to get it smoother. So scoop it under, take the blow dryer. Remember, go in the direction that you want your hair to be smooth, and then we'll smooth it out. So let me show you.
Looking for that fresh wrap, gonna get glam today. Hit Liz Rich on that app, gonna get glam today. Wash and press and go if you wanna get glam today. Gotta be Liz Rich for sure.
You see how that made such a big difference? It's so much smoother up here now. So that way when we go over it with the flat iron, we don't have to put as much heat.
Let's fly. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Book that trip, all packed up for the flight. Don't mind leaving in the morning, but there's something about that red eye. First class, we love a little upgrade. Feet up, eats plus a little champagne. Pretty sunrise landing, passport stamped in. Prince from the city to the sand. Getting my jet set on, moving groove to a new. Getting my jet set on, gonna find the perfect view.
After I blow dried it, what I did was I just took my blow dryer on a temperature that's a little bit cooler, and I just make sure that the roots of my hair are dry as well. But as you can see, it's already like pretty smooth and straight, so that way when I straighten it with my flat iron, there's not much more to do, and I don't have to put too much heat on it, and I also don't have to take like extremely small sections. So a win is a win.
So many sights to see. Getting my jet set on. Nobody jet set like me.
I went ahead and flat ironed my hair, as you can see, but thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing all things blow dry. So I am gonna